Today we're introducing Trend Marti EA V1.0 MT4, an intelligent expert advisor developed by YoForex Premium. This EA is built to capture market trends efficiently using a smart algorithm that adapts to price movement and market volatility. It's perfect for traders who want a disciplined and fully automated system that works on the latest MT4 builds with high stability and low risk. After downloading the package, open the folder and you'll find the main EX4 file along with the installation guide. Just copy the file into your MetaTrader 4 Experts folder, restart the platform, and attach the EA to your chart. Now let's review the back-testing results. We tested Trend Marti EA V1.0 on GBPUSD M30 from August to September 2025 with a $10,000 starting balance. The EA recorded a profit factor of 1.44, a maximum drawdown of 6.8%, and over 93% profitable long trades. The equity curve shows steady growth with controlled risk and smooth recovery during market corrections. Using moving averages ATR and RSI filters, the bot identifies accurate trend points and executes entries with timed precision. Each trade is protected by built-in risk management, ensuring consistent profits and safe capital preservation throughout the session. To download Trend Marti EA V1.0 MT4, join our YoForex Premium Telegram channel today and get the complete set file, user manual, and live updates. Originally priced at $799, this powerful EA is now absolutely free for YoForex members. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow YoForex Premium for more EA reviews and trading bots.